Hi everyone. So I have an amazing project. I did this Chanel number 5. My interpretation in number 5. I think it's very cute. I love it. I think this will be beautiful for like a theme party for Sweet 16, a bridal shower or something that's very bougie. I actually did it. I did it because I love this, the color of the flowers, and I wanted to display them in my house, in my bedroom. So I decided to do it, and I think it's very cute. So I'm gonna give you the tutorial for this, and I hope you enjoy it and you see how pretty it is. It's just very, very gorgeous. You have different choices, so you don't have to do what I do, but I hope you like it and share it and give me thumbs up. And but now I'm gonna give you the materials, guys, and I hope you really enjoy this project. So, guys, for this project, I actually got 2 frames from the Dollar Tree. You see that the ones that I got, actually they have this top right here, this bottom over here, but you could use this one too. What else we're gonna use? Oh god, I'm gonna use that. We're gonna use a ring holder from the Dollar Tree. Heat gun is a must. You need a heat gun for this project, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to do beautiful resin. And for resin, this is gonna be very good. So once you buy this, you're gonna be using it for so many projects. I actually also got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, guys. Use any colors you want. It's like, don't feel like it has to be the same. No, whatever colors that you want for the house, just whatever you want to do. What else do you need? A6000 glitter, which I got from Michael, guys. But you don't need to go to Michael's for this. You could just actually use the glitter from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has beautiful glitter, so I'm giving you my idea, but you could upgrade it, make it more beautiful than mine, which it would be great. So I got glitter. I'm actually, you get a bowl. I cut this one already, but that was for another project. But you need a bowl, a whole bowl, not half bowl. And you're gonna need this too. You're gonna need scissors. It's 6,000. And guys, I'm so cheap. I'm not cheap. I'm frugal. I actually went to the library and I printed a lot of the like logos from Chanel and everything. It's cheaper than buying ink. So I went in and I actually downloaded this image. And you're gonna need scissors. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.